Unlock the power of professional and legally sound contracts with Pandadoc's intuitive platform, streamlining your entire agreement process. Let's dive into creating your first contract in Pandadoc. Step by step first, log into your Pandadoc account and navigate to the Documents section here. You'll click the Create New button to begin. You have a few options: start from scratch, use a template, or upload an existing document for this tutorial. Let's explore using a template. Click on Use a Template. Pandadoc offers a library of pre-built templates for various business needs. You can either browse by category, like sales agreements or service contracts, or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Let's select the service agreement template. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be taken to the document editor. This is where you'll customize your contract. Notice the placeholder fields, which are marked with brackets. These are variables that you'll fill in with specific client and project details. To fill these in, simply click on a placeholder. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen where you can enter the relevant information. For instance, type in your client's name in the Client Name field. You can also add or modify clauses directly within the editor. Simply click where you want to add text, or use the Add Content button to insert pre-saved content blocks or pricing tables. Ensure all your necessary terms and conditions are clearly outlined. For more advanced customization, Pandadoc allows you to add e-signature fields, initial fields, and even input fields for your client to fill out. Drag and drop these from the right-hand panel onto your document. Once your contract details are complete and you've added all necessary signatures, click the Next button in the top right corner here. You can assign recipients, set signing order, and configure any other sending preferences. Finally, hit Send to securely deliver your professional contract to your client.